What do we have?
Choo-choo trains.
Choo-choo trains. Show me. Tell me about it.
It's good.
It's good. What's good about it?
Tracks.
Tracks?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you help build it?
Yeah.
Show me where some of the hills are. Where's some of the hills? Where does it go down the hill?
No, not down.
Goes down that? Nice. Should we play with it?
Yeah.
You gonna run train on it? Let's see. Where's it at?
Going then over here and
Oh, it's got a big climb. Look at that climb it's got to go up. Is it gonna fall off those tracks?
No.
What do you think, Cam? Is it fun to just grab the train? It happens. Can you put it back on, Cam? Here, John, you put it back on. Thanks,
Okay.
Cam. Be patient. Good job. Good. Okay, let it go, Cam. Nope, don't climb.
No.
Did it survive? Oh, kinda. Slow to make that turn, but there it goes. All right, John, can you say bye?